Ndewonu. Welcome back to my channel, Wada Canada. A simple space to learn and enjoy the Igbo language and culture together. Have you noticed that in Igbo language, some words can mean the same thing, just like in English? In one of our classes, we learned Igbo words and their opposites. Today, let's learn some Igbo words and their synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same or nearly the same meaning. In Igbo, we can call them okwu yiri ibe ha n'uche, words with similar meanings. Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. We'll say the Igbo word, the English, Igbo synonym, and English synonym. Malite, begin, bido, start. Malite, begin, bido, start. In English, we all know that the synonym of begin is start. In Igbo, the synonym of malite is bido. Ọchị, laugh, amụ, smile. Ọchị, laugh, amụ, smile. Aṅụrị, happy, obi ụtọ, joyful. Aṅụrị, happy, obi ụtọ, joyful. Obere, small. Ntakịrị, tiny. Obere, small. Ntakịrị, tiny. Ngwa ngwa, fast. Ọsọ ọsọ, quick. Ngwa ngwa, fast. Ọsọ ọsọ, quick. Ho, see, lee, look. Ho, see, lee, look. Egwu, fear. Ụjọ, fright. Egwu, fear. Ụjọ, fright. Eze, king. Igwe, ruler. Eze, king. Igwe, ruler. Ịhụnanya, love. Mmasị, affection. Ịhụnanya, love. Mmasị, affection. Zụta, buy. Gota, purchase. Zụta, buy. Gota, purchase. Let's repeat only the Igbo words. Malite, bido. Ọchị, amụ, aṅụrị, obi ụtọ. Obere, ntakịrị. Ngwa ngwa, ọsọ ọsọ, hụ, lee. Egwu, ụjọ. Eze, igwe. Ịhụnanya, mmasị. Zụta, gota. Let's go one more time, slowly. Malite, bido. Ọchị, amụ, aṅụrị, obi ụtọ. Obere, ntakịrị. Ngwa ngwa, ọsọ ọsọ, hụ, lee. Egwu, ụjọ. Eze, igwe. Ịhụnanya, mmasị. Zụta, gota. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Pick one Igbo word from today's lesson and drop its synonym in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple Igbo lessons. Also follow us on Facebook, Wada Canada.